In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to create a new agreement. First, navigate to Customers. Then New Agreements. Select the New button to begin creating your agreement. A pop-up will appear. Choose whether you're creating an agreement for a contractor or a direct customer. A contractor is someone hiring you to work on their behalf. A direct customer has a direct agreement with your business. Select the one that fits your situation. Next, you can either select an existing contractor or customer from the drop-down or search tool. Or click Create New to add a new one. If you chose Create New, you'll now enter the company address manually. Or use the search box to look up the address. Make sure to add a site reference and a main contact. Then click Save. Click Next. A pop-up will ask if the site details are the same as the customer's address. Click Yes to copy the address. Click No to enter a different site location. If you clicked No, you'll now enter the site address manually. To set delivery access times or seasonal hours, click More Settings. When you're done, press Save. After selecting or creating the site, you'll return to the Agreement wizard. Click Next to move on to the final page. Here you can select the invoice period, agreement start date, and state who sold the agreement and who is responsible for it. Once you're happy, click Finish. And that's it. You've successfully started a new agreement in Service Manager. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.